Canadian molecular biologist on Wednesday, December 15, told cross-party members of Parliament on the House of Commons Science and Technology Committee that a leak from a laboratory in Wuhan region of China is now the more likely origin of the COVID-19 global pandemic. Dr. Alina Chan, specializing in gene therapy and cell engineering and co-author of Viral: The Search for the Origin of COVID-19, told the Parliament panel's evidence session on scientific research that the pandemic was being caused by the unique feature of the coronavirus called furin cleavage site, which has been linked to the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Asked by the panel about the probability of a lab leak as the origin of the pandemic, Chan said a lab origin is more likely than natural origin at this point. We all agree that there was a critical event at the Hunan seafood market that was a super spreader event caused by humans. There is no evidence pointing to a natural animal origin of the virus at the market, she noted. On the question of a level of confidence that the world would eventually be able to establish the true origins of COVID-19, Chan said it was merely a matter of time. Right now, it's not safe for people who know about the origin of this pandemic to come forward. It might be 5 years from now, it might be 50 years from now, but we live in an era where there's so much data being collected and stored, we just need a credible, systematic investigation, she said. On whether the virus was modified in the lab before a leak, Chan said, "We have heard from many top virologists that a genetically engineered origin of this virus is reasonable, and this includes virologists who themselves have made modifications to the first SARS virus." Dr. Chan added, "We know now that this virus has a very unique feature called the furin cleavage site that makes it the pandemic pathogen it is. So without this feature, there's no way this would be causing this pandemic." Dr. Chan also said that only recently in September did a proposal get leaked showing that scientists from the Eco Health Alliance were in collaboration with the Wuhan Institute of Virology developing this pipeline for inserting novel furin cleavage sites, these genetic modifications, into SARS-like viruses in the lab. Chan stressed that the burden was on the scientists in question to show that their work did not result in the creation of SARS-CoV-2, the virus behind COVID-19, and that an investigation of documents being made available by US-based Eco Health Alliance could hold the key.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.